Hi my lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome. I'm so happy you're joining me today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous hand crocheted lily flowers. This flower looks so delicate and realistic and is perfect for making bouquets, decorating your home, creating hair accessories or even giving as a handmade gift. And don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along with ease. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and pink acrylic double knit yarn. Take your light pink yarn and begin by chaining 14. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now starting in the second chain from the hook, make 2 single crochets, 9 half double crochets, and now 1 single crochet. Now we've reached the tip of the petal. In the same place, work 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets, and this creates the point of our petal. Now on the opposite side, make 1 single crochet, nine half double crochets, make sure the stitches aren't too tight or loose. Now 2 single crochets. Again in the middle section, work 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. Continue by doing 2 single crochets, nine half double crochets, Now 4 single crochets. Again in the middle, 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. On the other side, do 4 single crochets, nine half double crochets, and 2 single crochets. Now finish with a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. And now your petal shape is complete. Now take your 0.7mm wire, insert the wire carefully along the edge of the petal, and now chain 1 and begin working single crochets around the petal, crocheting over the wire so it stays hidden and secure. Continue crocheting all the way until you reach the middle. In the middle space, make 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. Then continue working single crochets along the other side. Finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch to close. Now, wrap the remaining yarn around the wire tightly. And then trap the yarn securely between the wires and twist them together. And there you go. Trim off any extra wire and yarn. Your petal is now finished. Now you can bend them in half and slowly open them to help create its shape. For one lily flower, you'll need to make 6 petals in total. Repeat the same process until you have all 6 petals ready. If you'd like your lily flower to look more realistic, you can add some colouring to the petals. This step is completely optional, but it gives a beautiful natural touch. Feel free to get creative and make your petals look however you like. Now let's create the flower centre. Take your pipe cleaner and cut small pieces. You'll need at least 6 pollen pieces. Just shape them like this. These will go into the centre of the flower. Now we can do the fun part, putting everything together. Take your craft wire and attach the pollens in the centre. Use glue and wrap green yarn around them to secure everything nicely. Now wrap the yarn around. Make sure you wrap it tightly so the pollen doesn't come loose. Now you can finish it off like this. Add glue and then you're finished. Now let's start attaching petals. Attach your first 3 petals around the centre. Again, use a bit of glue onto the wrapped yarn and place 1 petal like this at the tip of the wire. Make sure that they are evenly spaced. So there's 2 petals. And there's 3 petals. Don't forget that if you have coloured your petals, that they face inwards. Then attach the remaining 3 petals in between the first layer. There's the 4th petal. The 5th petal. And the final petal. This makes the flower look more fuller and more natural. Once all the petals are attached, gather all the wires together and wrap them neatly with green yarn to create the stem. Secure everything with a little glue. And now your beautiful crocheted lily flower is complete. Look at how delicate and elegant it turned out to be. Now, what you can do is take the petals and bend them outwards. Make sure to be careful and soft here. Now you can also stretch out the pollen pieces. You can also make several of these flowers and create a stunning bouquet. They're also perfect for home decor, hair accessories or handmade gifts for someone special. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this tutorial with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy crocheting everyone!